Investigations are continuing in neighboring Trinidad and Tobago surrounding the 8-member crew of 7 Grenadians and 1 Trinidadian national aboard the vessel MV Rayniah J and the encounter with Trinidad and Tobago Coast Guard on March 2nd. According to attorney at law in Trinidad and Tobago, Umlala, after writing to the Chief of Defense Staff on the island, Ministers for Foreign Affairs in Trinidad and Grenada and CARICOM last week, they received responses, but some were not favorable.
We did communicate with the Minister of National Security, who made public utterances of an investigation that was underway. Unfortunately, we did receive a response last Friday from the head of the Defense Force, who summarily tried to dismiss the allegations, but in one breath dismisses it, but also acknowledges there's an investigation. So I didn't place much weight on his response. Our Minister of Foreign Affairs, Dr. MV Brown, has responded today to indicate that he is treating with the matter very seriously and awaiting the outcome of the investigation.
Lala anticipates receipt of more responses from other parties in the coming days or weeks, while there is an internal investigation ongoing by government officials in TNT. The attorney who represents the crew members says he is awaiting the results of the investigations being done by the Trinidad Police Force.
The police have undertaken an investigation into the matter. Statements are being recorded and the investigation is underway. We're hopeful that the investigation will be concluded swiftly. The police have communicated with us that they're treating with the matter with the utmost urgency, and that we commend them for treating the matter quickly and diligently.
The incident is believed to be an isolated one by both TNT and Grenada's government officials that will not affect the trading relationship between both countries. The incident 3 weeks ago resulted in a crew member being hospitalized and is now seeking surgery to one of his eyes, a bill Lala says the government of TNT has to foot. He stated that his client will also be filing a civil suit against the Coast Guard officers as they seek justice for the abuse.
Depending on the outcome of the investigation and the police investigation, we still reserve our rights to file legal proceedings for damages that the 2 of the crew members would have suffered from the physical assault that they suffered and also the wrongful detention in our view of the other crew members. But at this point in time, we're pressing for the early determination, and once we get that, we will be able to update as to what our next steps are in terms of legal proceedings, if any.
MV Rayniah J and its crew made their first journey back to Trinidad last week, resuming their weekly trade between both countries. For GBN News, I am Rena Thomas reporting.